Hey there, and welcome to Rumble Studio tutorial on how to cut traffic from your live stream to just locals in Rumble or to locals for a supporter only live stream. So to get this set up, you set up your live stream just as you would typically through Rumble Studio, select all of your destinations and go ahead and go live. You can see here I've been live for about 15 minutes. I did only choose to go live on Rumble and locals, but you can definitely choose all destinations, Twitch, Twitter, etc. So when you're live streaming, let's say that I'm live on Rumble, locals, Facebook, and Twitter, and it's going to when I start my live stream, it's going to present all of those options. It'll go live on all platforms, so it'll auto default there. Now, let's say I want to then drive and funnel traffic to just Rumble and locals. So I'm doing a segment on YouTube and it is a great segment for that section, but I want to kind of talk about some more things that I wouldn't be able to talk about on these other platforms. So I'm now going to funnel traffic to Rumble and locals only. So I can select this view, update stream, and on all of the platforms I was previously live streaming on, Twitter, Facebook, etc., YouTube, it would now present this Rumble overlay that says this stream is obscured. You'll need to continue to watch over on rumble.com or locals to continue watching this live stream. So when I select that, that's what would appear on those other platforms. Now I can update this to the stream, keep going, blah, 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 blah. Let's say I've now gone an hour into my live stream and I want to now pivot to just my supporter only section of my live stream. What I can do now is come back to this section and I can select locals supporter only. So you'll see that that emblem now changes to locals. And when I update that, you'll see here over on Rumble, in just a moment, it will now say that if I want to keep watching this live stream, I need to enjoy it on locals.com. I can easily navigate to locals.com through the join button or by navigating to the URL here. So this is a great way to do supporter only streams. You can do this immediately when you go live. However, you do have to start your live stream on Rumble and locals as a minimum. And then as soon as you click start stream, you can come up here, pivot this to local supporter only. Now, once you work your way down, you can't work your way back up. So now that I'm on a local supporter only, I can't make it public again on Rumble, and I can't make it public again on all platforms. So you have to kind of work your way left to right. You can't go right to left. So that is essentially how this works. As I mentioned, you do always have to go live on Rumble. And if you think about it, this is a great way for people to see that you are live and know where they can navigate to watch your live stream. So this gives you promotion and uses Rumble's algorithms to let people know that you're doing an exclusive locals live stream. And if they want to be able to participate, they would need to do so by joining your community. And that's it. That's everything you need to know on how to cut traffic and drive it to Rumble and locals or just locals.